Hey, good morning, Forex traders. This is Vance Williams out of Seattle, Washington. Welcome to my morning Forex trading show. It's Tuesday, January 20th. Okay, so I'm just going to get right to it this morning. First thing, just want to show you when you press play on the show, make sure you click be part of the conversation right here, and you'll be able to get access to links that bring you to my site, get free books. I have something huge I think's rolling out on Monday. I've been waiting for quite a while. Definitely tune in for that. I'm going to announce it Sunday or Monday. I think we finally got it all together. So watch for my coaching program to do something very unique this coming week. Okay, let's get rid of that. Again, this what I do on this show is for your educational benefit only. Never intended to give any advice on where to get in or where to get out. In fundamentals this week, the main event this week is the European Central Bank on Thursday. The expectation is that a specific number for quantitative easing will be announced. I've heard everything from 500 billion to 600 billion till they want to put in $1 trillion. I can't help but notice that Germany is not on board with this, and part of me can't imagine how they will continue to have their future tied to the fate of so many others that disagree with them. But nobody's talking about that. I mean, I guess it's too unimaginable that they do something unusual, but I do feel like there's another big surprise on the horizon. But in terms of what we know, all eyes will be on the ECB discussion this week. In major bank trades, one of the majors is looking for a pullback on the latest move up on the dollar yen. That same bank also caught a piece of that move down on the pound dollar, before it reversed back up, as we're seeing here on the chart. They hit a profit stop of 50 pips. I'll talk more about those specifics in our live trading room this morning. In case anyone's wondering, according to the information that I'm getting, Morgan Stanley, Credit Suisse, and Citi are the top performers over the past 6 months. Thought you might be interested in that. Okay, let's talk about buyer and seller behavior on our charts. Let's go to the euro real quick. You can see that the euro found a lot of support here at 115.73. And right now, the intraday money is just kind of even. You know, if you were to zoom out here, all of the things that's happened, all told, it's kind of right in the middle. And part of the reason for that is the growing uncertainty over what's developing with the European Central Bank. Obviously, the euro is bearish long term, but there is some growing uncertainty. What to look for today? First of all, a move below for our team, the way we trade intraday, a move below 1573, a move above 1606. This one will be a little bit aggressive because you're going to come through another area right here, which is pretty strong. And I could also put a bit of a trend line on that just to show you that there's going to be just some selling interest in this area. So the more higher probability trade would be, if this reverse, would be a move above 1631. Right now, we're seeing some selling pressure. It looks like they're, at the moment, leading towards a move down below 1573, which would be consistent with the big money. The pound looks a little bit different. Zooming out, huge bounce off of this demand area down here. What is that move today? It's about 116. So nice move up, very bullish today. And, you know, coming into a little port in an area, they're kind of above the right here was where the real indecision was in this supply area right here. And they're above that, pushed back, and they're still holding above it right now. Now, let me show you a trade that set up a little earlier, just a bit earlier. This one, you'd have to read this as moving up here, pulling back to about 50%, and then moving up for a second push right in this area. So it was boom, boom, boom. So you'd had been pretty quick and pretty skilled to, you know, manage your risk and but as far as what we teach, you'd have been right on the money with everything. Then it comes back, makes that, challenges that last wave here at this demand area, and then picks up those buyers again. So this was pretty high probability too, given that the buyers were above this level. So this was a pretty good trade here as well. Hang on just a second. I had to sneeze. So let's see, what else do I have? I'll be watching for more of the buzz on the street about central banks and the potential effects of the European Central Bank policy coming into Thursday. Right now, the pound's bullish, so a move, actually the move that's happening right now, above 51.74. We'd like to see it break that high, but already got a little bit of strength. If it keeps going, potentially setting up another trade there. Australian dollar, it's kind of in a range. The Kiwi is looking at a break below this level, so there's something potentially there as well. The dollar yen has continued to its bounce off of that 38.2 level. CAD continue to just kind of establish a range right in this area. So that's kind of it. Thing to watch right now, pound dollar, and maybe the euro breaking through this level. Very often, you know, if that's dollar related, this is going to turn around and bounce and move on up. We'll have, you know, it doesn't matter to us. If it goes down, we'll trade it. If it goes up, we'll trade it. So that's about it. Again, you know, on my website, forexartofwar.com, you can get 8 things they don't tell Forex traders. It's pretty insightful, something I think every Forex trader should know. And then if you're new to Forex trading, especially this book, The First Battle, it's part 1 of a 3-part series that you can check out for free. Again, watch for something I've never done before coming on Sunday or Monday for my training program. That's about it, gang. I hope that you got at least one idea out of this session that helps you with your Forex trading. Be sure and write to me if you have any questions. Thank you, everyone. Cheers.